Ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Matthews here from M&L FOREX Traders, and you welcome back to our channel. All right. So, just like always, we have something very nice for you. I have a very nice trade breakdown for you on USDT 30 minutes time frame. Let's get it. Okay. So we had something very interesting happening last week. I think it happened on Thursday and Friday. Let me just show you. Okay, so we had a very nice setup at the Qml+Fakeout setup, which is our most favorite, which is our favorite setup that we like to trade. Okay, so yeah, let me just walk you through what happened, what I saw, and what made me take that particular trade. Okay, so right here I'm on the 30 minutes time frame, and I noticed this level right here. So I had a higher high right here, I had a higher high right here, and yeah, so let me just use the small letters. I had a higher high here, right? From there, I had my level, another level here, and I had a QM here. I had a QM level here, a QML level there, okay? And right below here, I had my low, okay? I had my low and break of what? Break of structure. Low and break of structure, and then after this, what happened? The market created what? A lower low. So you can have this one or this one here. So the market gave us a lower low. Very nice there. Everything clear, nothing complicated. Okay. So after that, let me just insert some of the things that I like to do here. So this is my break of structure and my lower low. Okay. Then from here, I'll look for levels where the market is actually faking out. So to look right here. So there are times where you have a lot of rejections from a lot of places, right? You have rejections here, okay, like you see, if you look clearly, there are rejections here. So what I would like to tell you is that focus on the rejections which are happening closer to your QML, okay, closer to where the QML is or where the MPL is. Those are the most important, okay, those are the most important breakouts that you're interested in. So here I had my R1, my resistance one here, okay, and then I had my R2 right there, R2 right there, okay. Then I had an R3 here, R3, right? I had an R3 right here. So, okay, so we have a QM setup here. The market gives us the fake out, fake out right there. Very nice. So if I go to the lower time frame, maybe you might be able to appreciate it more. You might be able to appreciate this much more. Okay, let me try to move this. Yeah, let me try to zoom in a little bit. Yeah, I think this is much clearer. So this is the higher high here, and this is the low, and this is the high here, this is the low here. Okay, yeah, this is what you have here, and the market give us a resistance here, okay, and another resistance was here, another resistance was here, and another one was around this level here. Okay, yeah, so this is what we had. Very nice setup indeed, a very beautiful setup. So you have your preliminaries, you have the basic, okay, you have the basic things that you need for you to actually trade a QM setup. Okay, so what next? So let's label this. This is of course our liquidity zone. So liquidity is simply a level that has to be taken out if the market has to drop, okay, because we know that multiple resistance multiple resistance when a retail trader sees that, they see opportunity to sell. Okay, while as when you see resistance, we're looking for an opportunity for that level to be taken out before you can sell. That's a difference. Okay, that's what the difference is. As we're waiting for price to break that resistance and then come to our level, and then we have that zero float entry. Okay, that's our aim. Our aim is to have a sniper entry. We want that sniper entry. That's what we are interested in, because we know that when we have a sniper entry, we're not only going to have a tighter stop loss, but also our risk to reward ratio are going to be what? Improved. That's the reason why we want to have a trade with a considerably uh, small stop loss, and by having a small stop loss, that allows us to have a bigger lot size, right? So that's how it is. Okay, that's how it is. That's how it's supposed to be. And the stop loss is going to be about here. Stop loss right here. Okay, the stop loss is above our entry right there, and we have our liquidity zone right here. Okay, and then here we have a rally base drop supply zone. Okay, this is rally base drop supply zone. Okay, that's what we have here. A rally base drop supply zone. Yeah, like that. This was a beautiful setup. This was a beautiful setup. Okay, and our target is going to be somewhere at this level here, because we're focusing on the next fresh demand zone. So it will be a take profit zone. Of course, we can't just let the market drop like this without securing our profit. Okay, so every time the market starts to drop, ensure that you take some partial profit, because anything can happen in the market. The market can drop nice like this and then only to go back and take you out. Okay, that's very common, and you don't want that to happen. So the thing you have to do is make sure that you secure some profit as the market keeps on going in your favor. Okay, have a rule-based system that allows you to do that, right? So make sure you have a rule-based system that allows you and tells you when you should move your stop loss, when you should throw your stop loss to break even into profit. When you do that, make sure you have a system that actually tells you that. Okay, so we have a resistance here, resistance, and the market pushes through slightly bit only to take out the liquidity above this level, and then you have a drop. Okay, so our stop loss, we enter from here, that's like 13 pips stop loss, and then our target is about 190 195 pips, and right now it has dropped over 95 pips. Okay, this is US 30, by the way. You catch this on US 30, you're great. You're feeling good, because this is a lot on US 30, right? So it's a very nice setup. Congrats if you actually got this particular trade, because it was a very nice trade. Okay, so this is how it is, guys. This is our QM plus fake out setup. Of course, it's a late retest, and one of our best setups that we trust so much. Okay, so this is how it is. This is a simple trade breakdown of US 30. It's a very beautiful trade, and this happened. Let me just check. This was on the 16th. Yeah, today is the 18th. So today is the Friday. Okay, and then the move dropped yesterday. Yeah, it's a beautiful trade. 90 pips on US 30 is actually amazing. It's actually very good. So this is how it is. Um, if you're enjoying our content, which I hope you are, my humble request is that you help us by subscribing to our channel, and also make sure that you like the video. uh Make sure that also you hit that bell notification so that every time we post any new videos, you're the first one that sees them. Okay, it's nice like that. And make sure if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And also, uh if you have any questions, don't hesitate to actually get back to us. The links are down in the description. You can talk to us via WhatsApp, via Facebook, Telegram, Instagram, everything. Okay, the links are down in the description. So if you want mentorship, the links are in the description. If you want signals and if you want our ebooks, please don't be scared to get in touch. All right. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much, and God bless you.